So I made this post a few days or weeks back about like what is the main roadblocks you guys have, and it's almost always finding the right niche, potential niches here, niche selection. Let's see here how to find a niche. So yeah, I've been seeing this software come around lately, and I figured I'm just gonna do a call about it. And on a previous niche research calls, we filled in that Excel sheet. So I think we're just gonna look over this software. I'm gonna show it to you guys, and then potentially you can start using it yourself, or you can even implement the ideas we got from today's call into your current channels or into your niche research program, or yeah, into your niche research that you're currently doing if you didn't start a channel yet. So I'm just gonna share my screen. I'm gonna walk you through that software. And then if you guys have questions about it, just raise your hands. If you click on reactions on the bottom of your Zoom, on the arrow next to it, I think you can raise your hand there. Or just ask me the questions in the chat box. And also, if you have a specific niche that you want to go over, write the niche in the chat box, because we can filter on specific niches and see the viral videos in those niches. So then we can go over some niches that you guys are interested to or thinking about starting in, and see what videos are going viral in those niches, okay? So just women serial killers. Okay, slow down, Aiden, slow down, man. Easy, easy. All right, let's go. Okay, let me share my screen. School, we don't need anymore for now. All right, so this is the software, guys. This software is called 1 of 10. It's a paid subscription, so I bought it. And I actually started going over it this weekend. And I already found like a bunch of super viral videos, concepts that you can copy, even for YouTube automation. And also, as you can see in my bar here, like 6 different channels. I just used this like an hour before this call to find some channels that we can go over with on this call. And I'm actually really surprised by the amount of channels and videos that you can find with this software so easily. So as you can see, this is the dashboard when you are logged in. On the left side here, you can see we are on the home screen right now. So it's just like a YouTube homepage. But the reason this software is called 1 of 10 is because basically it tracks YouTube videos on the homepage or on channels. And then it shows you which videos went viral on channels compared to all their other channels. So basically, out of the 10 videos that you see here on the YouTube homepage, it's going to show you which videos went the most viral. And then you can see the multiplier score here. That basically means how many more views those videos got compared to other videos on the channel of that channel owner, and also relative to the other videos on the homepage, basically. So it shows the multiplier score. Then it shows you the title, which is also very valuable, because if you can see why, like if you can see that a specific video went viral, or here, for example, got 2.3 million views, then you can copy or make a similar thumbnail and title if it's related to your niche. And that's probably a very like viral, like it probably has a very good click-through rate if this video went so viral, right? Or the idea is just very interesting and the way they structured their title. So it doesn't only show you the videos, but also the link to that channel, how many views it got versus how many views the channel average is. So for example, here, see the multiplier score is 2.2. This video got 2.3 million videos. And then the average channel views or for videos are like 1 million. So this software shows you the topics from these channels that are outliers compared to their normal videos, basically. So what you can do here is scroll through this homepage, and it shows you all these videos that performed really well. Then if you hover over the video, it shows you here find similars. So then it reloads this page and shows you similar topics to this topic. You can bookmark it here if you click this, and you can track this channel. So if you click on bookmark, I have this page open here. Wait, I'm going to show this first. So, okay, let's say this video here. So resurrected in 2400 AD, he discovers that Earth is taken by ... So if you hover over it, you can click bookmark, and then you can enter it in sort of like a playlist here. So this is like sort of like a video about an ancient discovery that they made, right? So I would put that in a bucket like, let's see, mystery documentary, something like that. I would put it in. So you can make new folders here and then put all the videos that you find in it. So let's say you have a sports NBA channel. You can go look for NBA channels and make a folder with all the NBA channels that are going viral, or the topics that are going viral, or even other sports videos that are going viral that you can copy for this niche. And then you can make a folder that keeps all these videos together, so that if you click the videos, you keep them in a folder here. And then if you start making your own videos or your own channel, then you can use their title frameworks and their thumbnail frameworks to create your videos with. So if you just go like scroll through this software and take like a couple hours out of your week to find channels, to find niches, then the chance of you finding a good niche or a good channel, or even just new video ideas if you're already running a channel on demand, and it all like shows you how viral they went, so that those are such good indicators to to replicate these topics if they seem to work, right? So I think if you click here on random, it shows you a random homepage. So yeah, see, now it just reloads the page. And then what I would do is just like sort of the normal niche research methods that I showed before on YouTube, where you just open up the homepage and you just start scrolling through the homepage. I would do the same here for this software. So here's a history video. So full history of Germany in 5 minutes. The channel is called History on Maps. Usually they get 63,000 videos. This video got 160,000 views. So what you can do now is click on bookmark and then go to, so history explained. So this is like an explainer video about history, right? You add it to the bookmark. And now if you go here again, let me reload this real quick. Now go to history explained. Where is it? Here. See, so I found 4 other videos like this, but this is the one we just found. So the full history of Germany in 5 minutes. Then here I had a video that says the ancient origin of the swastika. Here, why China was divided before World War II. Why certain Southerners didn't actually come from Britain. And then here, Heydrich Holocaust, the final solution beyond the myth. So these are all like storytelling videos about history, but it's all different channels too, right? So if you have a list here, you can first of all see what thumbnails they are using, what text they are putting in the thumbnails or questions they are asking, and then also how they are making their titles. And now, for example, for this one, I had it opened here, I think. So now that you have the channel, you can click the title, then it takes you to the channel. And now you can go to the channel, see what the channel is about, how it's called, what the name is, how many subs they have, how many videos they have. And then you can just go through the channel and see if it's actually legit. So here you can see, okay, 8 days ago, 80,000 views. 2 weeks ago, 170,000 views. 3 weeks ago, 400,000 views. See, so this channel gets a lot of videos, and they make like, yeah, documentary style videos about it seems about a lot about the Second World War, but they also do here the crucifixion of Jesus, like also other style videos, right? And then here again, the truth about Franco, Spain's forgotten dictatorship, 500,000 views. So you basically use this software to find trending videos that outperformed other videos in the niche or on the channel. Then you keep them in one place in a folder, and then you can find the channels and see if you want to jump into this channel, maybe pick specific topics from these channels that you can start your own channel about. Yeah, and this is just a new way to find both viral videos, but also thumbnail designs, title frameworks, plus yeah, just niches that you can get started with. And I think it's a very easy software to use that easily finds videos for you. So would definitely recommend you guys having a look at this if you're still in not just in a niche research phase, but if you're already running a channel. It also helps you generate ideas for your videos, because it shows you what things are working. And like the example I just told you, like maybe you find a channel here that is about soccer, and you have a channel about the UFC or about NBA, then you can maybe use that ID, that video ID from the soccer niche in your sports niche, for example. So you can use, videos that you find for your own channel. Here in the intro, I told you guys maybe you can do like a horror story channel, right, with AI. So this is called Dead Plate Story and All Endings and Display on it. I think this is a series or a movie. Never mind. Let's see. So there's a lot of games. Which car not to buy? So here we have something about space. So another universe, Big Bang. Nobel Laureate finds hints of another space. So you bookmark it again. You put it in space discovery. All of you probably know that space, like discovery stuff, is a huge market too. Here's something about rap news. So Humble Man gets last lap reviews, take back Ungrateful X on. It's not even rap news. It's just like a dramatic story about people. Okay, I'm just gonna scroll here for a couple of minutes and find some more videos, guys. And then if you all put in the chat what kind of niches you want to look at, then we can filter on some niches to look at. Because as you saw here at the top, if we go to the homepage, look, see here we can filter on a lot of niches. So tech, finance, travel, space, sports, history. So put in the chat which niches you want to go over. And then we start looking at some of these niches filtered on this. And then maybe we can come up with some ideas for videos for you guys that we find on here. Okay, so Aiden, woman serial killers. Dora said rap news. Duck said UFC. Aiden said crime. Okay, let me see. Maybe I can just open them all if I go like this. So sports. Okay, wait, let's do UFC first. Conspiracy Theories by Dimitri. That's a good one too. So we filter on UFC here, right? So UFC is sports. So first of all, here we have RPILL MMA. This is the end, the downfall of the UFC. So got 30,000 views in 11 days. Here are the mythical fighters of UFC. So this is like a top 10 videos about historical good fighters, the fight business. So you can first of all click on track here and track the channel, Tuck. If you want to like track this channel to see what other videos they make that go viral. Then you can also bookmark it, make a tab for sports UFC here, click it, and then that video gets added to it. Here, same on money over legacy. When the UFC chooses money over legacy, it's the same channel actually. Here, this channel, TJ Loves Fights. Why the UFC doesn't have a face anymore, 2016 to now. What happens? So again, you can bookmark it, sports UFC, and add it in there. Here we have embarrassing moments from all things MMA, 10 incredibly embarrassing moments in MMA. So this is like a typical top 10 style video. Usually their channel gets 40,000 views for a video. This one got 250,000. So again, you bookmark it, sports UFC, and now you have to think about if you want to like this, you can easily replicate this title and thumbnail, right? So their title is 10 incredibly embarrassing moments in MMA, UFC. So you can replace embarrassing by shocking or bloody or painful or embarrassing or emotional. And then, just use the same thumbnail framework and title framework, but for another topic that you can easily come up with, right?
But do you think see how like when we're looking for these videos, like look at their subs, 275K, and yeah, they're averaging 38K, but 248K is a lot. But in respect to like their subscribers, are these still videos that you can consider? Or do you feel like their ratio is just not there still?
Yeah, I would just have a look at that channel, Tuck, and of course, not
Yeah.
every video you post is gonna pop off, but these titles are extremely evergreen, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, it's not of course not guaranteed that if you replicate this or change up this part, it's gonna perform well. But I do believe that simple titles, especially in sports markets like this, like 10 incredibly X moments in MMA or football or soccer or NFL or NBA or tennis or anything, that's really things that people like to see. And then of course the video has to be really well too. But yeah,
I
I
mean,
think
I
sorry,
actually
go ahead.
did have a video similar to that title, and it got like a pretty solid AVD. It was over 5 minutes, but the
Yeah.
click through rate was shit, and
Yeah.
it didn't really do much.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So that's one thing though, like if this channel has so many subs, so maybe this is their house style for thumbnails, right? So you can, oh, I clicked the wrong one. This is, if I click that, it's only all their the videos on their channel. I just wanted to see their channel actually.
yeah. This is actually one of the channels I've been looking at a bit recently.
Yeah.
But you'll see then they actually aren't as viral as you think.
You're
Like
what?
they're not actually like they're not even averaging that. Like they're getting maybe 80 to 90K views a day, but like I don't think, look, if you look at their like latest videos, there's nothing actually too
Crazy.
like too crazy. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this video is 2 years old too, so
Yeah,
they have been
as
in
the
the
later
game for a long
ones.
time, of course.
Mm.
Yeah. Oh, this takes long to load. But yeah, that's the thing about, like, you can see with this software, you can see the outliers on their channel basically, right? So it is a good indication of a good performing video compared to others, but still you never know if it's actually gonna work. That's still, but it does, I feel like, increase your chances to finding something viral, you know?
So even if it's like, say they're averaging, look, the averages aren't bad, but like, say what did it say? They were averaging 40K. Are you still saying that even like a 250K video is
Yeah.
still way above their average? So it still maybe could be a good concept.
Exactly, yeah. There's a reason it performs better than others, right? And that might be the thumbnail and the title, but it can also just be the idea of the video, like the concept of your video.
Okay.
And also this channel, like you just said, like they only post like twice a month, it seems like, or once
Mm.
a month even.
Have you got it filtered as latest?
Yeah.
Oh, you do. Okay.
So yeah, they got good views. If they post, they got good views, but they don't post a whole
Yeah, no,
lot.
you're actually right. I didn't actually think that they were as good as that.
So yeah, if you get 60,000 views a day and only upload once a month, that's still a pretty good return on investment, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. But yeah, I think it's a really good tool to just, you sort of like, let's say you are in the UFC niche, right? If you use this tool and you bookmark all these channels and find the outliers on all these channels, and also not on just UFC channels, but maybe other sports channels, then you can pick the IDs from those channels that are working well. You can get the IDs from those other sports channels that are performing well. And just like the video we just had for you, Tuck. So wait, where is it? I can see it anymore. Anyway, it was like the top 10 most embarrassing UFC moments, right?
Right.
If that works well for, let's say, the UFC, you can just replace the word UFC with tennis or with NBA or with soccer, for example, right? So you can